If we want to lose weight, we do not need drastic diets. It's enough to reduce portions and intake of food that thicken or stimulate the appetite and replace them with food that activates metabolism. One of the advantages of these foods is that they need to be chewed longer, which gives the body more time to send a message to the brain that you are full, which will help you eat less and lose weight more easily. So, what are the best fat-burning foods? Let's find out. Green leafy vegetables. Kale, spinach, and similar leafy vegetables do not have a lot of calories and carbohydrates, and are rich in fiber. Plus, filling your plate with vegetables is a great way to increase your meal volume without increasing your calories. The high content of important minerals and antioxidants should not be overlooked either. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are low in calories and contain high quality protein and healthy fats, as well as many other nutrients. Fish and seafood in general provide a significant amount of iodine, which is important for proper thyroid function and maintaining optimal metabolism. Salmon also contains a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body. It's the same with sardines and other oily fish. Crust vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and similar vegetables are rich in fiber and a decent amount of protein compared to other vegetables. The combination of protein, fiber, and low calorie make the perfect food for those who want to lose weight. It's the best consumed steamed. Beef and chicken parts. Recent studies show that unprocessed red meat, fresh meat that is not smoked or processed, does not increase the risk of heart disease or diabetes, as well as cancer. On the other hand, it is rich in protein, which is an important ingredient in the diet. Cooked potato. Potatoes contain an expectational range of nutrients. It is very rich in potassium, which plays a significant role in lowering blood pressure. Boiled potatoes are especially useful because you will feel full sooner, but only boiled potatoes are recommended, not fried ones. Tuna. Tuna is another low-calorie, high-protein food. It is a lean fish. There is no much fat in it, so it's useful because of that. But if you are trying to focus on protein intake, be sure to choose tuna that's canned in water, not oil. Soap. Meals and a low-energy diet encourage people to eat fewer calories. Most low-energy foods are those that contain a lot of water, such as vegetables and fruits. That is why it's recommended to eat soups, stews, and similar soup combinations. Many studies show that consuming certain food made this way makes people feel fuller and eat significantly fewer calories. Avocado. While most fruits are rich in carbohydrates, avocados are full of healthy fats, especially oleic acid. The same type of fat found in olive oil is an excellent addition to salads because studies show that avocado fats increase the intake of nutrients from vegetables by as much as 3 to 50 times. Avocado is also a good source of fiber and potassium.